Hello, this is a short video presentation on the order of operations. The order of operations is a set of rules governing the sequence in which mathematical computations are made. The reason we need these rules is that we want to always obtain the same answer to our problems. If I give you a problem and one person gets one answer and the other person gets another answer, there's a problem. There should be one right answer for a math problem. So I have a short, simple little problem here that illustrates why this is important. Looking here at this equation, 2 times 3 squared, if I read from left to right, 2 times 3 squared equals, what does it equal? Do we multiply the 2 times the 3 first and then square that answer? Or, well, I'm sorry, if we do that, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 squared is 36. Or, do we square the 3 and then multiply that result by 2? Square the 3, multiply by 2. If we do that, we get 9 times 2, or 18. Now both of these make some sort of sense. You multiply here and then square, or you square this first, then multiply. But we have two answers. Which is correct? You gotta have one right answer for a problem like this. So we have the order of operations that tells us what to do first, then what to do second, then what to do third. The first thing we do in every case is the parentheses, or the grouping symbols. We do the inner set first. We do the innermost set first. Then we do exponents. After the exponents, we do multiplication and division. Now, we don't do multiplication first. We don't do division first. We go from left to right. So you go from left to right, and whatever is seen first gets done first. Later on in my second presentation, I'll give you an example of that. Likewise, we do addition and subtraction moving from left to right. Not addition first or subtraction first, but whatever comes first, going from left to right. Now, a lot of people in middle school, Algebra 1, learn a word, an acronym, to help them memorize the order of operations. This word is PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. And you may or may not have been taught that that word stands for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. It helps us remember the word having those words. The P, the E, the M, the D, the A, the S all stand for something, which I'll talk about in a second. I prefer to think of PEMDAS as puking elephants make disgusting animal sounds. And well, I guess that is a disgusting picture. So, PEMDAS. A lot of times when you learn that, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, you learn P is for parentheses, E is for exponents, M is for multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So if you can remember that, it helps a little bit. But this is very, very, very misleading if you learned it this way, because the M, multiplication, does not come before the division. These two are done together, left to right, and these two are done together, left to right. So please keep that in mind. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division are together, left to right, and addition and subtraction are together, left to right. So what is the answer? Exponents are before multiplication, so we have to square the 3 first. And when we do that, we get 2 times 9, or 18. As long as we're talking about the operations, multiplication being one of them, I want to address proper ways to show multiplication. The first 3 ways I'm going to show you are acceptable. The last one is not. I'm talking here about 2 times 3. We can use a dot between the two numbers. We can take the second number, put it in parentheses, or we can put both numbers in parentheses. Don't use an X. Why not? What's wrong about using the X? Think about that. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being a great class. It's been an awesome start to the year, and I'm really looking forward to the rest of the year. Thanks, and have a great day.